Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Mattresses can be marked up significantly, with some sold for $3,000, costing as little as $300 to produce. It is very much helpful in digestion. Taking fennel seeds from lukewarm water will also remove constipation. The Guinness Book of World Records was created by Beaver, the managing director of Guinness Brewery, in the early 1950s to settle pub arguments with verifiable facts. Every year, 80,000 people go missing in Japan due to work and family struggles. A babysitter checking under the bed after a child complained about a monster finds a man hiding. A horse's electromagnetic field is 5 into larger than a human's. They influence your heart rate, blood pressure, and overall mood. Researchers have developed a blood test that can detect more than 50 types of cancer before symptoms appear, with a false positive rate of less than 1%. Meet the great Potu, the tree stump bird that sees with its eyes closed. The candle auction is a method of auction where the end is signaled by the expiration of a candle flame, intended to ensure that no one could know exactly when the auction would end and make a last second bid. Boys value independence, they appreciate space to grow and make decisions. Just 20 minutes of sunshine a day triggers your mood to release over 200 antimicrobials that fight fungi, parasites, and viruses. Boys may hide emotions to appear strong. Scientists discover 18 million tons of white gold beneath California's Salton Sea, valued at $540 billion. Layers of paint from years of graffiti. Studies find the herb holy basil is highly effective at treating generalized anxiety disorder, nervous system dysregulation, and helping the body address the psychological, physiological, immunological, and metabolic stresses of modern living. The first thing you say in an argument sets the tone for the entire discussion. Stirring patterns in a mug. If someone laughs with you, they subconsciously trust you more. The words on the shampoo bottle. A well-timed pause in a conversation makes people feel pressurized to fill the silence. A frog's legs twitch after being skinned and exposed to hot and spicy soup. The more certain you sound, the more people believe you, even without evidence. This handle has a mark from people who have wedding rings on. Leg day every day, giraffes stretch to reach what their necks can't. The Technical University of Munich has famous parabolic slides instead of stairs where students can slide all over the floors, designed as a public artwork. Dolphins playing with an anaconda. People mirror the emotions of those around them. Stay calm and they will too. The oldest sibling is usually the most well behaved. Firstborn children receive more parental attention in early childhood, and their main influences are generally adults. This leads to them developing better behavioral habits than their second born siblings, who get less overall attention and often learn more from other kids than they do from grown ups. The highest altitude a human has survived without supplemental oxygen is 8,848 meters, which is the summit of Mount Everest. The first person to reach the summit without supplemental oxygen was Reinhold Messner, an Italian mountaineer from South Tyrol, Italy, and a member of the Messner family. He achieved this feat on August 20, 1978, along with his climbing partner Peter. The Persian ruler Cyrus the Great conquered Babylon in 539 BCE and instead of enslaving the population, freed the Jews and allowed them to return to Jerusalem. His policies of religious tolerance were rare for the time. Soyuz 11 disaster 1971, first human deaths in space. It was one of the most significant tragedies in human spaceflight history. Crew consisted of cosmonauts Georgy, Viktor, and Volkov. The disaster occurred during re-entry when a cabin vent valve malfunctioned. The decompression of the capsule resulted in the deaths of all three cosmonauts. The first American woman in medical school was accepted as a prank when Elizabeth Blackwell applied in 1847. Geneva Medical College students thought it was a joke. She earned her degree in 1849, opened a practice, and later started an infirmary for the poor. Harsh reality 1995 to 2025. Family then versus family now. Children then versus children now. Traditional marriage versus online marriage. Environment then versus environment now. Changes are necessary but not in negative way. Thanks for watching.